Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a Ulta haul. So I'm super excited because I picked up some goodies at Ulta and I'm gonna be trying on some of the products on camera with you guys for the first time, and some others are repurchases. So if you guys want to see what I got at Ulta, then keep on watching. Okay, so one of the things that I got, which is a repurchase for me, is the Simple Cleansing Wipes. And these are my favorite wipes. I love using these because they do take off the makeup very well, and it removes waterproof mascara. And one of the things that I really love about it is that it doesn't leave my skin feeling like weird or like a oily residue or like a film over it. My skin feels so fresh after using this. Like, it feels like I wash my face with water. So that's like the best thing. It has no artificial perfume or color, no harsh chemicals, and it's kind to sensitive skin. So I really like this one, and it's good for all skin types. So the next product that I got is from Blender Cleanser, the solid soap. And this is another repurchase, and this is my favorite soap to wash my brushes, to wash my makeup sponges. This is the only thing that I use, and I really recommend it because it takes out all the makeup off your sponge really well, and the brushes. One of the new products that I got is from e.l.f. and it's their matte putty primer. And I'm so excited because I've been dying to try this out. There's three types of these primers. There's a luminous one and the universal one, which is the original, and then this is the mattifying one. So it says apply a thin even amount to clean moisturized skin prior to makeup application, allowed to set for 30 seconds before applying foundation. And this mattifying skin perfecting putty primer has a velvety texture that glides effortlessly over the skin, smoothing over imperfections. Infused with illuminant clay and white charcoal to help absorb excess oil and grip makeup for all day wear. The result, a smooth, poreless, shine-free matte complexion. So I'm super excited to try this out. Okay, so the primer, I actually like how it feels. For a mattifying primer, it doesn't feel drying on the skin, and it went on really smooth. So I'm actually excited to see how long it lasts throughout the day. How long does it keep my oil shine control? So for the next product, I'm so excited for this one because I've been dying to try this out, and it's the new Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the dewy version. And the shade that I got is the soft beige. So this foundation hydrates and smooths complexion for a luminous finish, buildable coverage for normal to dry skin. I actually never tried the original one. So I'm super excited to try this out. And since I use a mattifying primer, I'm gonna use this dewy foundation, and I kind of like doing that, like mixing a little bit of both for my skin type, which is normal to dry skin. I like to do that to have a balance of both. I feel like that kind of works for my skin. And I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild sponge. Okay guys, so far, first impression, I'm loving this foundation. I know it's too soon, but I could just tell it's really nice. It didn't cling into any dry patches or anything. So far I'm loving this. I got two new concealers that I haven't tried before. And the first one is from e.l.f. and it's the new Hydrating Camel Concealer. Shade that I got is Fair Beige. So this concealer claims to be high coverage, hydrating, and long wearing. The next concealer that I got is from ColourPop and is the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. The shade that I got is Fair 15W. This concealer claims to be a long-wearing, full-coverage, creamy concealer infused with hydrating ingredients for a natural, fresh finish. I don't know which one to use today. I think I'm gonna use the e.l.f. one. This is the applicator. It looks like the Tarte Shape Tape one. Ooh, it feels so... Right off the back, it feels so like hydrating and like smooth and like wet, and I could just tell from like the other concealers that I've used, this feels very different. So far, interesting. Okay, so far I really like it. It looks so nice and smooth. My skin looks hydrated underneath my eyes, and it is very full coverage, so I really like it so far. So the next product that I got is the new Wet n Wild Hello Halo Blush Lighter, and I got two shades. I got Highlight Bling and I got After Sex Glow. So I think I'm gonna use this one, the After Sex Glow. I'm gonna be using this shade right here. The highlight bling, this is what it looks like. Ooh, so I really like this highlighter, guys. Oh my god, go get this. I recommend it. I'm in love. And the best part is just so affordable. It's Wet n Wild. Guys, go get this at your drugstore now. Okay, so the next thing that I got, Essence blush. I got the shade 10 Be Fitting. So this blush, I like it. It looks good. So far, so good. And the best part, it's super affordable too. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back into that highlighter, and I'm gonna use this like rose gold pinky highlighter just to kind of dust it a little bit on top of that blush. And let's see how that looks. The next thing that I got is this NYX Shout Loud Satin Lipstick in the shade Chick. This smells really good, and I like how it feels. It feels very comfortable, and it's like the satin finish, creamy. I like it so far, and I like the shade actually too. So I also got this Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss in clear. This also smells really good, and oh my god, it looks so nice. And guys, this is so affordable. Look how glossy and like glass-like it looks. Wow, guys, pick this up. The last and final thing that I got from Ulta is a repurchase, and is my favorite setting spray, Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Going over the products, my favorite products that I purchased were the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the dewy version, and the concealer from e.l.f. the Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finished. And I love the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer, and the highlighter from Wet n Wild After Sex Glow shade. So the Essence Shine Shine Wet Look Gloss in clear, totally recommend this. From my repurchases, I totally recommend those off the back. The Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, the Simple Cleansing Makeup Wipes, and the Blender Cleanser Solid Soap to clean your makeup brushes and your makeup sponges. Now for the rest of the products that I have to try, which I didn't use, is the other highlighter from Wet n Wild in the shade Highlight Bling, and the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer. I have to try this out. The lipstick and the blush, I really like them. I just want to try out more shades. So guys, that was my Ulta haul. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys are gonna be picking up some of these products. I hope I was helpful. Oh wait, one more thing. All right guys, so hopefully see you guys on my next one. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, turn on your notification bell, And thank you guys so much. Bye. I totally recommend. I totally recommend. So now